Hi, good morning, student. My name is the teacher Antonio Tribaldos, and I'm talking about with the separation from Colombia, the Panama from Colombia. Welcome. Description. How are you, student? I hope well. Today we are going to talk about the separation of Panama from Colombia. Some more details, and I will leave homeworks. The level is the 9 to 12, and the introduction is I will see you will see the important points to the separation of Panama from Colombia and your pro and contra. In the task, your homework is number 1. Make a conceptual map with the concrete learned about the separation of Panama from Colombia. Number 2. Make a vocabulary of 15 words related topic with here definition. And homework number 3. Make a chart that mention the positive and the negative of this fact. In the process, you know more about the topic. You have to use internet as you help to better understand the topic. For the concept map, you recommend can use the call Spidercrafts, X-Mine, or whatever you like, with the word or vocabulary that are important to as possible. This can be written in Word, for example, or whatever you want. The chart can also done in Word establish on one hand the advantage that there were of this separation and the other hand the negative. And the evaluation is the next. You will see the rubrics to evaluate the homework. This is the rubric of the conceptual map. This is the rubric of the vocabulary, and this is the fact pro and contra. And to finish, the conclusion is the presentation today. Remember that this is a social science issue that we must have very clear and mention our country Panama. Thank you for all the time to read. This is another occasion. It will bring you more of this kind of way to present a class. Bye bye.